Okay, so we're going to take a ballpoint pen and we're going to trace the outline of the template. I'm working at an angle here, I can't really see too well. Forgive me. Down here. Okay. Like that. Then when we get to the end of the tip, I'm going to flare it out a little bit. Now when you're tracing out the template, you want to kind of start to the edge. You don't want to make your tracing like in the middle here. You want to give yourself, start at the edge. That way you have enough room to actually make another template if you screw up, or if you want to make another one, you'll have enough material to do so. So, just going to flare down here. So again, I am working on the edge here. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'll trim that. Alright, so once again, so there you go. Yeah, so see, by doing it on the edge or starting on the edge, you can possibly get like 2 or 3 on the same material. So don't, try to be generous and start on the edge. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna cut the mylar. Of course, you want to cut on a safe surface, or don't want to do like your nice furniture. So I'm using just a drawing board here. You can use a cutting board or cutting mat, whatever. So I'm going to use the X-Acto knife to cut the sides here. And again, forgive me if I'm doing this at an angle. I got the camera, my mini iPad as a camera propped up, so it's kind of myself a gap here. There. I'm going to I think I'll switch to the scissors. Do this cut. Okay, so after cutting out the template, you're going to have a shape like this, where the little gap was at the center of the circle. We're going to bend it back, so it's almost like a T shape here. You can see that. So we're going to have something kind of resembles like Pac-Man. This is looking at the top. This part will be the contact. So we're just going to bend it back a little bit. There. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take tape on this side where my finger is, and then we're going to put the barrel of the pencil here. The tip of the pencil is going to go right where the center of the circle, and then we're going to wrap tape around it. So it's going to be like that. Not too close, sorry. Like that.